Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can see who has viewed your TikTok videos and profile. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your device. So what you have to do is go ahead and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in your profile page, you'll see the footsteps icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile views. Here you can enable profile view history by selecting turn on. And remember that when you turn on this feature, others will be able to see that you have viewed their profiles and videos, just as you can see who has viewed yours. And to see who has viewed your content, those viewers must also have their profile view history enabled. If their setting is off, their views will not be shown to you, even if they viewed your profile or videos. And there are time limits. Profile views are visible for the past 30 days, and video views are visible for 7 days after the video was posted. Once enabled, you'll see the list of users who have viewed your profile, and you can tap on their accounts to visit their profiles as well. See who has viewed a specific video, go to that video, and it must have been posted within the last 7 days. Tap on the views count in the bottom left corner of the video, and if the viewers have the settings turned on, you'll see their name listed. And you can turn off profile view feature anytime when you no longer want to use this feature. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.